In this video, we'll look at using classes with generics. The generic can be replaced with any data type, except for primitives, so any object type. In this case, the t-type parameter can be replaced with any data type, such as an integer, string, or double, when the class is created. Here's an example of how to instantiate the bag class. We specify the type for the generic between angle brackets. And we repeat these angle brackets before the parentheses on the right-hand side. T is then being replaced by laptop, to some extent. And we're only allowed to use type laptop for the property content. Let me show you this in IntelliJ. So I'm going to be creating a main in which I can instantiate the class. Give it a main method. Right, and in here I'm going to say bag, and then, well, let's do one with the Chihuahua type. And we'll call it Chihuahua bag. It's just the variable name equals new bag. And then I don't need to repeat Chihuahua type, it's between the angle brackets, but it would be allowed. And then let's also create a Chihuahua. And let's give our Chihuahua a name as well. Let's call it Rocky. And then right now I've created a bag with the generic Chihuahua, and I'm going to add the Chihuahua to the bag. So I'm going to say Chihuahua bag dot set contents, and there goes Rocky. Alright, so we can do something similar for laptop. Let me show you. So I'm going to give the name, of course. Mine is called Lappy right now. And I'm going to be setting the content of my bag to be my laptop. There we go. But let me show you something. I've now created two instances of the bag class, one with Chihuahua type and one with the laptop type parameter. The value of the t-type parameter is set and retrieved using the setValue and getValue methods. And this actually means I cannot go ahead and try to add a Chihuahua to my laptop bag. Let me show you that this doesn't work. So if I'm going to try to add the Chihuahua, it's going to say that it cannot convert these types. It says required type laptop provided Chihuahua, and that's a problem. And this is how we can make it type safe. We can make a class with a generic, and then upon instantiation, we specify what that generic should be, and then it's type safe again. There's actually a little more to say about generics, but this is enough to get you started with collections soon. So this is it for the video on generics in Java. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at classes with generics. We're going to be working with the collection framework, the list one to be more precise.